In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Forex on Moomoo. So the first thing you'll need is of course to install and open up Moomoo, and to actually be able to trade Forex, you will have to open up a Forex account, and for this, you are required to have a Moomoo universal account, and after that you can basically start trading Forex. And the way you can do this, at the very bottom middle it says open account, click on that, then click on open account. And after this, you'll be prompted to basically select your tax residence. You can use United States if you are from the US, or you can click other regions and you can proceed with passport or ID document. After this, of course, you will be able to, let me just leave this, you will now be able to use the app, so to use Moomoo in your account, and then you want to go to the very bottom left where you can see the watch list. And here, if you go to the search box up top, so top right, you can see the search icon. If you click on that, you can see one of the things that pop up under the search box says Forex. You want to click on Forex, and here you'll be able to see different Forex. So you can then just choose what you would like to trade. So for example, Euro USD, the first one, you want to click on that, and then from here you'll be able to essentially start buying and selling, thus trading Forex on Moomoo. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.